So client feelings, affect, can be intensified when they face a challenge, when their sense of self is being poked, or when they're on the edges of new growth. And that's really important for us as coaches because that's part and parcel of what we're all about as coaches. And this is all a very normal part of human behavior. And I do want to say that what a client expresses outwardly, it can actually be quite different from what they're really feeling. Okay. And when big feelings get displayed, we can misunderstand them. The people they work with can misunderstand them. Maybe there are cultural differences because how happiness or anger or sadness looks in one culture may look quite different in another culture. Or maybe what they're showing on the outside is really different from what they're actually feeling because of a defensive reaction. So I do also want to differentiate between affect and emotions. What happens with affect is that at some point, all affect gets translated. It gets translated into a story that becomes defined either by the client, by sponsor, maybe by teams, or by us as a coach. It gets defined as an emotion. Okay. So emotions are the story that the client or the coach or whatever party holds about the affect, the feelings. Now, affect itself, why it's so important psychodynamically is because it serves as a bridge between those unconscious dynamics and the conscious, the thing that's actually, the conscious mind, what they're saying, how they're saying it, et cetera. And as ICF certified coaches, we know that reading and responding to a client's affect, that's part of our core competencies, right? And here's why it's important psychodynamically. Our ability to not only tolerate a client's strong affect, but to hold it carefully in the moment, it's essential for their growth. And the reason for that is because when a client feels safe with us, when they feel that they can bring their strongly held feelings, their defenses soften. They feel more permission to explore what they might otherwise avoid. And as we all know, that's a moment when insight deepens. Okay, that creates a moment for more exploration, which creates possibilities for real change. So our certificate program discusses observation and active listening and questioning techniques to help you explore how to work with affect